out in the country, and this is the property that we're having a look at today. It's a beautiful, sweet little property. So let me take you in and we'll have a look around. Beautiful flowers. It's a lovely warm day. Really nice. So you got like a little terrace here. Could tile that all over if you wanted. So we're coming in to what is like a conservatory. They've had all flooring done in here. You have your fridge, freezer there, and like a prep table or, you know, shelves just there. You've got those bifolding doors and they go into the kitchen. Just going to pan around so you get a feel for this. So this is extra space here really. So just in here is your kitchen. Got plenty of top and base units, granite worktop space. You've got a sink and drainer, dishwasher and your washing machine. It's quite a large kitchen. You've got another fridge freezer. Got a tier. You have your gas cooker and this wonderful log burner fire. So just in here now, you have another room. So this would have been a bedroom. You have the wardrobe, kind of gives it away. So you have got your central heating radiator in here. Okay, it's all new flooring put down. Flooring is quite nice. And that's in the kitchen area as well. So just in here, you have your bathroom. It's all fully tiled from floor to ceiling. You've got your bath, your sink, and a vanity unit, and you've got your WC. Okay. So this is a very traditional Spanish property. So here you have your radiator again. Now this would have been the living room, and again this is adorned with a lovely log burner fire, and up the top is a little oven, so you could cook your bread or pizza in there as well. So just here is your aircon and your ceiling light and fan. Plenty of sockets in the room as well. So just off of here is another bedroom. So I'm just going to come in and turn around. Nice deep windows. You've got your radiator in here. Switches and sockets which will be either side of the bed. Alright, plenty of electric sockets in this property, which is great. And just in here is another bedroom. Here you got your ceiling light and fan. It has dual aspect windows in this property, in this room I should say, sorry. Just panning around for you so you can see, and you got your radiator there as well. Just coming up and around so you can get a good feel of the room, because it's very hard to judge, especially on video, you know. Alright. So I'm going back through the living space and we're going through here. Right, this brings you out into the garden area. Got these lovely stone steps up. You have your gate out there to the front, that's the side gate. Now you have some storage in there. Just in here, it's a big step up. But this is a lovely garden. Apparently they did have an above ground pool there, and you could put another one in there again. I'm just going to pan around for you. just so you get a good idea. And just behind those lovely flowers, nicely hidden, is your gas for your central heating. Okay, just give you a quick look at that. Okay, you also have your solar lights for the evening. Just in here, it's just some storage. This is an old shed. You could use it as a workshop. Just going to show you. And you have another door over there. All right. Now I'll take you around to the other garden. So you've got a couple of steps here. Nice area just around here. And you've got some lovely steps up to an area where you could have your outside dining. And there, of course, is the door to the shed on the other side. Okay. Just going to pan around for you. Really nice, lovely blue skies. Loads of lemons. They're quite small because I think you need to really water these all the time. Get nice juicy big ones. So, let's go inside now. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@toletoselltobuy.com, quoting the reference number, and don't forget to leave your email address. Just going to show you this beautiful kitchen again, and I would always recommend to come and view the properties. Okay. So if you want to live in this wonderful place, do drop us a line about this property. And take care, guys.